Thank you very much. Thank you. What a nice little introduction to another day here in Pushkar, one of India's more holy places. Very, very hustle and bustly in this market. Very colourful and lots going on, lots going on. So we're going to spend a few hours here this morning having a little roam around before we head off to another place in India in which I've been looking forward to travel to and explore ever since planning this trip. So I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as I am. So let's have a little knock around this market, mate, and see what's happening. Got some sweets for sale. More guys here. And then you've got these petals, if you watch the last vlog, that you put into into the lake, the holy lake, and you make a wish with it after having some sort of holy thing done with you. Like a prayer, like a prayer. It's like a prayer. Hello, brother.
How are you, brother?
How are you? We're very well. And yourself? Good. Very good. Thank you. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Pushkar is good. Very chilled.
Good energy here.
It's very chilled. Hippie energy. It's hippie energy.
Do you know anything about Pushkar?
No. Do you want to give me three facts? 3 facts about Pushkar.
Okay, I will tell you. Pushkar, holy place. 1,000 temple here. And only here one Brahma temple from all the world. So another temple no possible, only every old temple possible, but Brahma temple only here, this one. This is the Brahma temple.
That is Brahma temple?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. And one more fact? You want to give a fact about Pushkar?
Yes.
Okay, good.
So,
all right.
What do you think about like India, brother?
India is awesome, I love it. Thank you. I will see you. Yes. Cheers, guys. Thank you. Sorry, sir. Man, this is wild. Look how busy this is. My goodness. So people are heading into the main temple here with all of their spiritual petals and stuff. So this is the entrance way, so we're not going to go that way. We're going to turn around and head back in the other direction. Hello, sir. How are you? Yeah, good. Very well.
Where from?
I am from UK, but I live in India now. I'm Indian, man. Okay, cheers. Bye. How are you? UK, yes. UK. India, good. I go back this way now. All right. Good, brothers. Thank you. Namaste, bye. Namaste. Mate, this place is wild. Whew. I thought it would be a little calmer this morning, in all honesty, but it's the polar opposite. And it's scorching hot, but the energy is good. The energy is always good in India. Look at it. The sea of people down there. Sorry, sir. Look at this. You've even got a guy selling baby pink candy floss right here. I'm okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That stuff does absolutely nothing but just disintegrate in your mouth. And it'll rot my teeth. So you've got bangles over here. These like fancy Indian bracelets. These. And these. Very nice. Women's dresses, and then you've got hotels and banks. Woo! And then you've got a fruit cart down here. Check this out. Over here, he's selling some sort of fruits, apples. Hello, sir. How are you? What is this? Guava. The guava fruit, if you're keen on that fruit. The guava fruit. And this? Muli. Okay. Best of luck, sir. Have a good year. Thank you. Hello, how are you? You're good? Good, brother. Good.
Channel.
YouTube channel. Fun employmenter. Because I'm fun employed. Do you know what that means? It means you don't like to work and you have a laugh. Just have a laugh, mate. Fun employed. Yes. Fun employmenter. And then you've got restaurants and more clothes shops. And check this out. Whoa, mate, check this out. How is this legal? We've got our guy who helped us start the video. A chai guy over here. Chai, sir? Chai?
Yeah.
Kitna rupee? 10 rupee?
10 rupees.
10 rupee for me then, please. I will take one chai. Mate, I love the convenience of chai wallas here in India. Just, they're dotted everywhere on the street. The convenience is top notch, mate. And chai is amazing. It's just filled with so much sugar. And they put ginger in it, which is here. There's ginger.
Yeah.
They cut up the ginger and add that. And then, yeah, they whip it up right on the street here, look. Amazing, amazing. I will be over soon. I will be over. Good, good. Actually, let's go and have a look at this. Look at this. This is what I was like about over there. Sorry, sir. How are you?
Okay.
So they've got a knife shop which sells Indian sword?
No.
Not Indian sword, just sword. And these, can I hold one? Can I hold one? Can I hold it? Yes, can I have a look? Check this out, mate. Wow, sharp?
Not sharp.
Not sharp. Look at this. Thank you very much. Crazy. Kitna rupee? Kitna rupee? Kitna rupee, how much? Okay, 1,000, 1,000.
1,000.
So that's 1,000 rupee for this dagger is about £10. And then over here, hello, how are you? Over here, you've got guns. And then a golden sword. Awesome. And then like the stuff that police beat like thieves and criminals with. Look, one of those sticks. Man, wow. All right, let's go and get our chai. Hello, sir. How are you? Here we go, sir. Thank you very much. 10 rupees, super cheap. And a chai is a short, sugary tea drink, and you kind of shot it down as you would like an espresso, a coffee. Look at that. Amazing. Dhanyavad, bhai. All right, into one of the ghats here, which is an entrance down to the Holy Lake. So yesterday I had a blessing done down on the Ghat, and no shoes. Okay, shoes off here. I had my blessing done on the Ghat. So this is, they call it the Pushkar passport, this bracelet. And it shows that you've had your blessing and you don't need another one. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, how are you? Good, good.
Hi.
Good. How are you, sir? मेरा नाम Chris. आपका नाम क्या है?
Suraj.
Suraj.
Yes. Where are you from?
UK. Yes.
You are coming from UK?
Yes.
Over here?
Yes.
For vacation?
Yeah, travels. 6 weeks.
You do
India.
travel vlogs?
Yes. A guy just said that I can't come down here with a camera. This guy in red over here. So, no photos of the Ghat today. So we're chucking the shoes and socks back on. Mate, the daily struggles of just walking in India. To be fair, that car is like blocking up all of the way. The streets are super narrow. Pushkar, yes. We are in Pushkar, mate. Right, we're back into one of the narrow streets away from where we just were. Okay, there is some food here that I haven't tried before. Down there is the traditional gulab jamun, but over here I'm not sure what this is. What is this?
This is for Malpua, special of Pushkar.
Malpua shah.
Malpua.
Malpua. Is it sweet?
Sweet.
Okay. Can I? How much? Kitna rupee for one?
25 rupees for each.
Okay. Can I try one, please?
Oh yes.
Okay. What is the name again?
Malpua, Malpua.
Malkua. So I'm breaking my Malkua virginity here in
That is special in Pushkar.
very good. Just this, please.
Yes.
Thank you. It's good? Ah, it's good. It's good. Okay. Thank you.
Take it your money.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Let's give it a go. It is hot. Hot, and it feels like a really sticky pancake. So that is really sweet, and it is like a pancake, like a deep fried, really thin pancake. It's okay. It's okay. For 25 rupees, I think any food is okay. So, last bite, it's a little bite. New food for me, so why not? Say hello.
My name is Deepak.
Deepak.
Yes.
Good, good.
What's your name?
Mera naam Chris.
Aapka naam Chris hai. I'm also tourist.
Oh, you're not a tourist.
I'm tourist.
You live here, surely.
No, I'm Justin Bieber. Pushkar Justin Bieber.
No, you live
Yes,
here.
I look
You
like
live here.
Justin Bieber.
He lives here.
He's Pushkar.
Are you a local? You are Pushkar Force?
Yeah, bro. I'm also very famous in YouTube.
Yes, yes.
You see my video?
Yeah, I've seen them all.
How many videos you see my videos?
12 of your videos I've seen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, bro.
Hello, yes.
And
None for me, thank you. I've had a henna, look.
No, uncle.
No, thank you.
For sister, friend.
No, thank you. I'm just hanging out with Deepak here.
Oh!
Dunk, say hello.
Hello, brother.
Right, guys. We're going to end this vlog. It's dragging on. This vlog is dragging on. We've got to end it. Do you want to end it for me? Do you want to end it? Go on then.
Yes, we collab now.
Here we are.
Yes.
We're ending the vlog, guys.
Next video coming with a special song with Deepak.
Okay.
So let's guys wait and share this video and comments and like.
And
Power
subscribe in
24
YouTube.
Yeah,
hours.
subscribe to Fun Employmenter. Goodness gracious. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Ciao.
Ciao, bella. Ciao, come sta? Sto bene?